New COVID rules take force today in both Ontario and New Brunswick. In New Brunswick, people who refuse to wear a mask in any indoor public space could be fined. And as of today, they also have to start proving they are fully vaccinated. Ontario is also bringing in a vaccine passport this morning. In both provinces, people will need proof of vaccination to do things like dine in a restaurant, go to a movie, or use a gym. Jacqueline Hansen this morning tells us how businesses have been getting ready.
Running a restaurant during the pandemic has been all about playing by the rules and keeping up with them. Today's launch of Ontario's vaccine passport is just the latest.
It's just an evolution of stuff that we've already been doing.
At Zach's Diner in Ottawa, General Manager Roger McKee did extra training to get his employees prepared.
We've just made sure that all of our staff is educated on what people need to present to them to be able to come in.
Ontario and New Brunswick are the latest to require proof of vaccination at some non-essential businesses. Customers can show a digital vaccine receipt or print one out, plus show government ID. Apps with QR codes are also in the works. Ontario's Chief Medical Officer of Health hopes the new rules push 20 to 39-year-olds in particular to get vaccinated.
They have the highest rate of infection. They have still are getting hospitalized as a result of infection and a lower rate of immunization. I think that age group that likes to go out, that is naturally social, that takes advantage of bars, restaurants, nightclubs, I think once it clicks in the coming days that you must be vaccinated to get inside, that will change behaviors.
He says if the passport works, businesses could benefit from looser capacity restrictions. But for now, the Canadian Federation of Independent Business wants tools to help making implementing the checks easier.
Some of those tools could include training in, for example, de-escalation and funding for things like scanning devices when we need them.
McKee says he'll be ready to adapt again when Ontario's app comes out October 22nd.
We'll do what we have to do. We're happy to follow the rules. We're happy to do what's asked of us to make sure that everybody stays safe.
Jacqueline Hansen, CBC News, Toronto.